It's royalty. Yo, I'm not trying to burn out the boat. Coming at you like a matador. You trying to follow my every move. It's royalty, observe the protocol. Before I serve it up, I let it marinate. I'm packing skill, but you packing hate. See, the weight is heavy and that's no debate, but you can carry it like you my surrogate. I'm not a typical female MC. You gon' need the aspect to cool off the heat. I sneeze on a beat, I'm making it sick. They got the verse on repeat. You cannot define me, I'm one of a kind. I'm sorry, not sorry, the moment is now. The weight of my crown. Ay, you know I be holding it down.
You can feel the power in the words that I sing. You can see the passion and the gifts that I bring. Can't nobody take me off my seat. This is